Hello everyone, I'm Ash. Today I'd like to introduce gold cards we produce. Pokemon cards sold nearly 10.2 billion units in the year 2024. Combined with other brands and sports cards, total sales exceeded 15 billion units in 2024. Today, I will explain in a simple way, as a gold processing factory, how we quickly and perfectly create gold cards that meet customer expectations. First, the material. We don't use traditional hammered gold leaf, that Eshin technique producing paper-thin sheets that float away with the breath. Instead, we employ PVD gold plating technology with 1 gram of gold plated per square meter. If you want more luxury, we can customize materials with 1.6 grams of gold plating per square meter. The gold content increases by 60% immediately. Second, craftsmanship. We customize exclusive molds based on each design and requirements. Molds may be single or upper-lower pairs. Glossy finishes, sand blasting textures, deep embossing, shallow embossing, micro effects, color printing, lamination, stamping. Each gold card incorporates dozens of processes. During production, every slight variations in hydraulic press pressure or timing can cause texture depth to differ by tens of micrometers. So we must ensure the qualities of every product from the hydraulic press. These 2 gold cards in my hand are both double-sided gold foil laminated. To increase thickness and rigidity, we added an extra layer of material in the middle. Third, innovation and leadership. We know that some friends have limited budgets but still pursue the ultimate effects. So our materials lab visited the top material factories all over China, tried 17 kinds of materials, repeatedly adjusted, compared, and tested, taking 14 months, and finally developed a new imitation gold foil material. Even experts with 30 years of experience in the gold industry would hesitate for 5 seconds and visual inspection before distinguishing between real gold foil and imitation gold foil. Here, this is the material we developed. Imitation gold foil. From the shining surface or the sand surface, you can see, it's hard to tell. Our journey in crafting gold cards didn't begin today. Since the 1990s, we've been deeply rooted in the field of gold craftsmanship. We've consistently innovated and led the way. Others may try to catch up, but we will always stay one step ahead. Because we are not just an OEM factory, we are a solutions provider in the gold processing industry. We do this not to show off. What we want is to let every friend with a limited budget be able to buy gold crafts with the quality and the effect they deserve. If you have any questions about gold cards, feel free to have a comment. If you have needs for gold cards or silver cards, feel free to contact us anyway, anytime. See you in next video. Bye bye.